do it.
Is that all you got?
Hold it, baby. How about that?